Welcome back to our beginner English course. In the last class, you learned the difference between present simple and present continuous. Today, in class 12, you will learn how to talk about time in English. Time words help us describe when actions happen. Part 1. Vocabulary. Morning, the first part of the day, from sunrise until noon. Evening, the later part of the day, before night. Today, the current day. Every day, all days, regularly. Now, at this moment. Night, the time when it is dark, after evening. Pause the video and read these words once. Part 2. Using time words in sentences. Morning. I wake up in the morning. He drinks tea in the morning. Evening. I eat dinner in the evening. She watches TV in the evening. Today. I am working today. She is studying today. Every day. I go to school every day. He drinks coffee every day. Part 3. Speaking practice. Now speak with me. I wake up in the. I work. I am learning English. He drinks tea. Use your own time words and actions. Mini revision. Today, you learned how to use morning, evening, today, every day, how to describe when actions happen, how to use time words with present simple and present continuous. Next class preview. In class 13, you will learn how to talk about places, using words like at home, at work, in school. Practice speaking about time every day. Subscribe and continue this beginner English course step by step.